Hey everyone, welcome back to Get a Simple. In today's video, we're diving into Yeswelder.com. Yeswelder is an online store specializing in high-quality, affordable welding gear, including multi-process welders, welding helmets, and accessories. They cater to various welding types, offering reasonable prices while offering durability and innovative features. Notable products include the Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet with true color technology and the MIG-205DS Multi-Process Welder, which is compact yet versatile. Yeswelder offers shipping for U.S. customers, regular promotions, and top-notch customer service to ensure value for every dollar. Ready to check out Yeswelder? It's super simple. Just head over to Yeswelder.com. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content coming your way. Until next time.